time I close my eyes, I'm no longer sleepy. My head has been so busy, lay it down when I feel so dizzy. Side effects of what they give me got me up till the sun can't get me. And I'm anxiously trying to find some sleep, with the wind outside still blowing. When the clock strikes 3 and the thoughts won't leave, it's a lost cause trying to control them. Every time I close my eyes, I'm no longer sleepy. Even if I kill the lights, I know they can see me. Wide awake, I walk the halls, feeling so uneasy. Every time I close my eyes, I'm